Next is about purchase order with multiple item and multiple check-in. So come back to here. By now I have entered a few more items. To do that, just right click on this pull button. Right click, and system will enter into a new module which called purchase and write off module. Purchase and write off control. To start a new purchase order with multiple items, just click this new. So we will start a new transaction on purchase of today, and then we come to this detail place to fill in all the items we want to purchase. To select item in here, just click on this new green new here, and we select our item. First item I select rice, and then second item I select tissue, and that item I also select this tissue tesa. Okay, so 3 items I have selected. Next is to enter purchase quantity. How many items is being purchased in here. For example, I click on 10, and then this price is last check-in price. So now current purchase, if the price have changed, for example decrease, we just enter the actual price in 89,000 rupiah. Decrease for this item. And then for Tesa, say same item. And then for this next item is also 10, but this time the price increased to 12,500 rupiah. So we just enter the quantity and the actual price in here before we do check-in. After we have entered quantity and price, now we are ready to perform check-in. We can see that now the current status is in progress. So we just click this check-in. This function have 2 functions. Left click only check in current selected item. If right click, it will check in also. For example, in here I do a left click. Yes. So you can see that only 1 item being checked in. So if let's say for example now I want to check in all, I do a right click. Yes, you can see that this progress, these 2 progress will change to complete. Change to complete. So in this, all items have been checked in. Let's quickly look at another example. I come back to main here. I start a new purchase. Okay, yes. So I get a new transaction base. Come to detail. I add item I want to purchase. 1 item, 2 items, and then for example 3 items. Okay, and then I enter quantity for here 12 each, and then I do a right click on the check-in. Right click, then all will be checked in. This is another example of purchase order. Next, we come back to main here and look at the transaction. For this purchase completed, and the one above also completed, the one above also completed. As time grows, this transaction in here will increase. So if one time we decided this transaction no longer be used, we can move to RC batch. Just select the transaction and move to RC batch to reduce the transaction list in here. To reduce transaction list in here, I move another one. Okay, then you all move to RC batch. To view the RC transaction, just left click this O button. Then you can see that your RC transaction is in here. Okay, 2 transactions. To view current purchase transaction, just left click this item. Come back to current, this purchase transaction. Last is about this print page. This here allow us to print transaction 1 item or all item. And then below is a summary information. It's not calculated until we left click this button. Left click, it do calculation. So I go to CRC batch. I have a left click. You can see it's calculated in here. So this is the last portion of this purchase order. Come back to item now.